boat almost sank. Oh my goodness, look at that. We're on the lake again, but this time we're on a rental. I think today is the day that we're gonna take this boat out on the lake. It's super nice out. It's like 80 degrees right now. We're on the lake right now. We just parked up the boat. We're gonna go inside and eat something. The water is flowing out from underneath, and that's how it should be. That means that the water pump is working. We're at the camp spot that we always go to, but now this time we're on the boat. Let's see if we make it. We got the top up. Okay, go. That should be super closed down. Or at least it looks like it. We should be able to make it. We made it. Look at that. Look at those rocks over there. It looks super sick. There's like caves down there. Look at that. Our boat almost sank. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look how much water there is. our bolt is done now. Something on the bottom ripped the whole end, the bottom piece, and this is broken. This kind of sucks. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is so bad. Everything seems to be working. We just need to replace this whole back end. Also, when we hit the log, the whole front end like jumped up. It was kind of scary, not gonna lie. We're on the lake again, but this time we're on a rental. We are gonna try to find the back end for our boat because that piece cost like $3,000 on eBay, and hopefully we will be able to find it. But honestly, there's like a 99% chance we won't find it. We're coming up to that bridge, and right over there, that's where our engine should be. So we'll see. Right now there's about almost 5 feet.